All right, just in case you missed it a few minutes ago, we had breaking news here at the top of the hour where the National Weather Service did send a storm survey crew out to Pickens County today. And right at the top of the hour, they confirmed to us that, yes, it was a tornado north of Jasper in Pickens County. It was an EF0. The damage estimates are saying that the winds were around 80 to 85 miles an hour. And they're telling us that the damage was a little sporadic, but the most confined area where they had this tornado damage confirmation was near East Price Creek Road in that area there, again, north of Jasper. So one confirmed tornado so far out of this system that was in our area here on Tuesday night, where we were doing that extensive wall-to-wall coverage on all of the storms that were moving in. Right now, it is a much quieter day. We started the transition day yesterday with the quieter weather moving in, the rain moving to the south, the drier air moving into, and today, even though temperatures have been warm, the humidity levels have been on the lower end, so it's been a little more bearable out there. Storm's still down to the south. That front moved through our area and is stalled out to the south now. That's keeping the rain to our south for now. That's going to change, though, going into the weekend as we're going to see more of that moisture moving in. The other thing we're dealing with today is still a hazy sky. This is our look right now from our tower cam on Arizona Avenue, but on the DeKalb-Fulton County line, looking toward the city. And you can see that haze that we have. That is still from the wildfire smoke. The northerly flow that is bringing us the drier air and lower humidity is also transporting some of that smoke from the Canadian wildfires into our area. So we're dealing with that today. We're also going to be dealing with it somewhat during the day tomorrow too. Maybe some breaks in the morning, but then thickening up a little bit in the afternoon. I'm still watching our air quality, and this is mainly in the upper levels, and we're not really having any impacts here at the surface. You can't really smell it, or it's not causing any problems with anybody's breathing or anything like that. Another view at Truist Park, and you can kind of see that haze on the horizon. If you're going to the Braves game, it's going to be warm to start. Temperatures around 88. We go down to 81 though by 9 o'clock, 79 at 10 if the game's still going at that time. And remember, even though that's hot, the humidity levels are lower. Right now we're 89 degrees here in Atlanta, also 89 in Athens, 90 in LaGrange. And with that 89-degree temperature, look at the feels like temperatures. Also 89. We're not seeing that going up that much due to the lack of humidity that we have around. It's going to be 92 tomorrow, still warm and still low humidity, but then the moisture comes back with humidity and rain chances. 50% chance Saturday, 60% chance Sunday, highs back to the 80s. We hold in the 80s Monday and Tuesday with the low rain chance at 30%, lower 90s Wednesday and Thursday, still with those rain chances at 30%. Well, isn't this beautiful? This is from the moon last night. Alfred Gray took this in Loganville. The reason that looks a reddish orange is because the moonlight was shining through some of that smoke in the upper levels, and that's what kind of gave it that orange and reddish look. Thanks, Alfred, for sharing that beautiful picture with us. Alfred's part of our 11 Alive Weather Impact Team on Facebook. And if you want to be a part of that group, when you're on Facebook, just search 11 Alive Weather Impact Team in the search bar at the top of the page. Click the link to become a member and be sure to answer the membership questions, and we'll be glad to let you in our fun group.